Good morning, first graders and learning coaches. Thank you guys so much for all of your hard work you've been putting in over this last school year. I can't believe that we're already almost over. We have 3 weeks of school left. It's gone by so fast. I just can't even believe it. So I just wanted to send a quick video letting you guys know how proud I am of all of you, and I appreciate all of the hard work you've put in. I know it's been a lot, but it's not going unnoticed. So just have a happy Monday. Start off your day with a smile, and I'm just going to go over some things for you guys today. Just a quick reminder, a few things that are going to be coming up over the last 3 weeks of school. So in your newsletter that was sent out to you guys at the beginning of the month, just a few things to review. Make sure that if you are planning on re-registering for this school year, that you get those paperwork forms, the residency form, the proof of residency, all of that submitted by the last day of school. If it is not submitted on that last day of school, they will take you out of the system and you will have to start back over with the registration for next year. Okay, so please make sure you've changed that status as far as registering or not registering and that you submit the paperwork. The other thing is just a quick reminder, Galileo does start on Friday this week. I will email you on Friday that it will open up with your password and everything that you can log in that needs to be completed by the following Friday. So you have a week to complete those math and reading assignments for your student. That's the end of the year assessment, just for us to see the progress that they are making or that they made this school year. Every student is required to complete this assignment, okay? So I'll email you Friday. The other thing is just make sure that your student has completed that appendix course. Many of you have, but just log in, make sure that you have completed those 7 lessons. Also, if your student is new to AZVA this school year, you will have a PE course. It's a one-time course. There's 13 lessons. Those 13 lessons should be completed this school year. Next year, if you're returning, you will just get a PE course where you will enter just PE attendance time. Okay, so make sure that you have completed those 2 courses. And then the other courses, you want to make sure that you follow your progress report that I sent out Friday to make sure you're up to date with your current progress and that you're on track for the end of the school year. Students that enrolled later in the year, obviously your percentage is prorated on what you're expected to complete for the end of the year. So just follow that progress report and you'll be fine. Remember that that progress report that I send out to you guys every Friday does not factor into the work samples. Work samples, if you take a look here at your grading scale in the newsletter, work samples for math, reading, and writing are 25% of your grade. So if you did not submit your work samples, that will bring that overall grade down. So that progress report grade will not be accurate if your work samples are not submitted and turned in. Okay, so if you are missing them, I really need for you to submit those because that will affect your overall grade. Okay? Next thing is make sure Study Island is completed. Study Island for the month of May is on the 15th. So by the 15th of May, we've included April, and through the 15th of May, you want to have 2 hours of Study Island time. You can go in and check your time. Make sure that you log in there and you can pull up the reports and see how much time your student has completed. That was also sent with your information on the weekly updates. The attachment is in there. Lastly, I want to just quickly review some of the fun things that we put at the end of our newsletter. I know a lot of you do this, and I'm very excited to see some of you guys sending those in to me. It's really nice to see. Just a few fun educational websites for you guys to save and work on over the summer. I will also send an email out as it gets closer to the end of the year with these websites. And then a fun little note from me to your student. And here are some journal prompts. Writing is a really big focus for first grade. It's a really big struggle for some of our students, but it is something that they really should be working on every single day. So here are some ideas for you to look at. You can pull up that newsletter and have them write something every single day and even over the summer so that they can continue to grow as a writer. And then the last page is their math. Just a fun few quick questions for them to make sure they know for math. The biggest thing is that 10 more, 10 less, that tends to be a little bit of a trouble for our students, and making sure they're getting fluent with their addition and subtraction facts up through 10. Pretty much that's it for now. So make sure that you guys are staying on top of checking those emails. I will be sending some more periodically over the next couple weeks. And make sure that your students are entering attendance each day, following their daily plan every day so that they're not falling behind here at the end of the school year. If you have any questions, as always, please feel free to reach out through email or phone call. But I'm so excited for you guys. This year has been wonderful, and I appreciate you and everything you've done. Thank you for letting me be your student's teacher, and I hope you have a very good Monday. Bye, you guys. Thanks so much.